Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set up WhatsApp for e-commerce sales. So first, you just have to launch your WhatsApp application, create a WhatsApp business account. This is what it looks like. You have to go through with the process right here in order for you to create one. So the first step is you have to create your business profile and then select the category. For example, in my case, I want to sell clothes and other things such as apparel and clothing. After you have added category here, it's about time to add description. So of course, description should relate to your category or to your business. So in my case, I want to add discover a world full of fashion and style, something like that. So you can type whatever you want here to simply describe your business. So I have here discover a world full of fashion, full of style, something like that, with our curated collection of clothing. So everything is up to you. Now, since my name is not acceptable, so I have to change this to business apparel. The category is still the same, apparel and clothing. I have here my description. And then in order for you to verify your account, you need to add your email address here. So email helps us reach you in case of security or support issues and so on. So you have to add your email address here. So you have to go through this process in order for you to build a good business profile here on your WhatsApp. So after that, you can tap this get started, set up your WhatsApp mobile storefront. You can tap get started here and then you can add a new item if you have your product already. So you can send products and services to your customers and save space on your phone. So again, I have set my business name, category. I can add my business address. So you have to enter here your address. You can also tap this set location and map to make it easier, but you can also manually enter your address right here. Then after that, you can now go back and add website. For example, you have WordPress or you have Shopify, you can add it right here. Add business email, add hours. For example, you're just open every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and you are not open every Sunday and Saturday. So you can toggle this one off. Okay, now go back and then you can add more information such as your products and so on. You can even add a photo right here if you want. Also, to promote more or to reach more customers, you can add or link your Facebook or Instagram account by tapping this. All you have to do is to click this plus icon and then link your Facebook, also your Instagram, especially if you have your Facebook page and your Instagram business account. And for example, you have tons of customers there, and let's just say you have viral videos there, so you can add it right here to reach more customers. Also, you can add this greeting message. Okay, you can just simply adjust some settings right here. For example, send greeting message. You can add or change your greeting message right here. So you can tap save once done. So basically, this is what they receive whenever they go or whenever they tap this send message to your business account. If you're away, you can set this send away message and you can edit this by tapping this pencil icon if you want to change that. Also for quick replies, you can tap quick replies right here, shortcut, and then add a quick reply below. After that, you can tap save. So basically, you have your instant message and reply to your customers. Okay, you can also add pictures if you want, select a media if you want. And don't forget to tap save to save changes. Okay, so basically that's it. All you have to do is to add information to your business profile. And basically that's how to set up WhatsApp for e-commerce sales. So you just have to build a good business profile right here, good information, and then you can now proceed with your sales. You can connect your Facebook page and then your Instagram page to reach more customers. As easy as that. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.